Hello, everyone. Welcome back. Welcome back. Welcome back. Welcome back. Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen, kings and queens. My name is Joyce McTeer, and I am the owner and operator of Lajoytra Creation Designs. I'm coming to you all today really quick with a coming soon video. This is going to be a how to make DIY, whatever you want to call it, video, okay? And for those of you who have been following me, you all know that I did a haul on some items that I got from Michael's the other day. Michael was running a sale. A lot of those places are still running sales. So with that being said, I'm going to slide in what we're going to be doing. We're going to be making and creating a pair of earrings using these wood shapes right here. Okay, this is the bag that has the teardrop shapes, wood shapes. It has the oval shape. It has some smaller teardrops, some small ovals, and some small circles. Okay, so I just wanted to come to you all really quick to let you all know that I will be doing a how to make or DIY, however you prefer to call it. And it's going to be coming soon. So it may be the video after this one. I'm not really sure. It probably won't be the video after this one, but it will be coming, okay? So with that being said, I just wanted you all to see what's coming next. We're going to be making and creating something using these beautiful beads right here. These wood beads right here, wood shapes. And I want to thank you all for watching. Please make sure that you give this video a thumbs up, like, and share. I would greatly appreciate it so very much. And also, if this is your very first time here on this platform, please subscribe by hitting the all bell button that is on the side somewhere, so that when I upload more videos, you will definitely be notified. I want to thank y'all so very much for watching. Have a wonderful and awesome day. And until the next one, peace and blessings. See ya.